Happy Thursday, everyone, and thanks for checking into WeatherBug. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And of course, we have a lot to talk about today, and that includes what's happening with Hurricane Joaquin. As of early Thursday, major Category 3 storm, which could potentially impact the eastern seaboard. We, of course, are looking at some very heavy rainfall in the eastern U.S. over the next 3 to 5 days, which could lead to some significant flooding. And we're also talking about some continued cool weather in the eastern U.S. as well. All right, so this is what Hurricane Joaquin look like on early Thursday morning. You can see it impacting the Hawaiian Islands here, or the Bahama Islands rather, with some hurricane warnings. And of course, looking to deter a little bit farther right, take a hard right, lift north, and maybe be downgraded a little bit as we approach the weekend early next week. But notice the forecast track from the National Hurricane Center getting so close to the eastern seaboard. So this is what we're watching and will be watching over the next several day time period. Meanwhile, as we head into the next several days, the severe weather concern is pretty minimal. General thunderstorm threat in the southeast, also over the central and high plains and the Intermountain West. Maybe a marginal threat on Friday over southeastern Colorado, eastern New Mexico. Then by Saturday, again, some general thunderstorms over the mid-Atlantic states. So we have some moisture finally moving into the western U.S. Ridge of high pressure in the Four Corners region, keeping things pretty warm, but very dry in the middle Mississippi Valley over a 5-day period as we're kind of watching this particular surge of moisture push to the northwest, and then whatever happens with Joaquin kind of just meandering about there, at least for now. But look at these heavy rainfall tallies over the next 5 days. Again, these maximums you're seeing exceeding 12 inches, and that could lead to that significant flood risk. Pretty dry through the Mississippi River Valley in the central and high plains, looking at some moisture. And again, those temperatures in the southwest pretty warm, with readings there about 10 to 15 degrees above average. The eastern U.S., though, looking at well below average temperatures, including Washington, D.C. today, where we'll have some rain and a high of only 63.